11 Natural Remedies for Candidiasis. Candida albicans is the fungus that causes most diseases in the vagina. And it is that women present it naturally in their body, so its presence should not be related to a pathology unless there is a decompensation in the balance between fungi and bacteria. As is known, 50% of healthy women have Candida albicans in moist areas such as the vagina, mouth, nails, among others. However, when a woman begins to present vaginal discharge, pain during sexual contact or when urinating, as well as burning in the genital area is likely to present a vaginal infection. It is very common for women to see pathologies of this type, more because it contributes to processes such as pregnancy, menopause, consumption of contraceptive pills, diabetes and the use of antibiotics and steroids. There are numerous ways to treat candidiasis, some of them without the need to ingest drugs. In the present entry, we offer 12 natural remedies for candidiasis. 1. Echinacea tea. It is recommended to drink this tea because it strengthens the immune system. Remember that candidiasis occurs when a specific cause affects the body and causes an imbalance between the bacteria and fungi that naturally coexist in the woman's vagina. Similarly, the prepared infusion can be poured into an atomizer and spread over the damaged area. This considerably decreases the itching that causes that vaginal infection. Likewise, tea tree oil can also be used if you put at least 10 drops in a tampon to introduce it into the vagina, for 7 days. Always renewing the tampon and pouring the oil drops. 2. Probiotics. In the treatment of diseases caused by fungi are very useful. The probiotics are so-called friendly bacteria, because these microbial organisms are able to stop the growth of other negative agents. Probiotics such as Lactobacillus fermentum RC14, Lactobacillus rhamnosus GR1, and Lactobacillus acidophilus are especially effective. Yogurt is a food loaded with probiotics, so it is recommended to take it in abundance or spread it on the lips of the vagina. You should know that only natural yogurt is suitable for this remedy. 3. Colloidal oatmeal. The itching caused in the vagina by Candida albicans can be reduced by washing the affected area with colloidal oatmeal diluted in water. 4. Organic apple cider vinegar. This component is very useful to treat candidiasis by douching. For this, you must create a compound made from 1/4 liter of water and 3 tablespoons of organic apple cider vinegar. This can be completed with colloidal silver to the mix. 5. Organic garlic. Eating garlic is also useful to treat the vagina fungi. This is very effective if one takes into account that garlic naturally has antifungal properties. 6. Oxygenated water. This remedy is to apply a vaginal douche with a syringe with 30 cc of peroxide, hydrogen peroxide. This process must be carried out with care so that when introducing the syringe and pouring the liquid into the vagina, the area is not damaged. If the tissues are very damaged, it is better to dilute the aforementioned amount of peroxide in 3 portions of water. As the treatment progresses, the concentration of the peroxide can be increased until it can be used alone. 7. Organic blueberries. To restore the pH in the vagina, affected by the presence of fungi, it is recommended to drink cranberry juice. 8. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is excellent for combating fungi because it has high contents of lauric acid. You should know that you can only use this oil if it is organic and has not undergone any refining process. This product has utility both inside and outside the vagina. 9. Organic oregano oil. For the organic oil of oregano to be effective on the fungi of the vagina, the patient must take each day, after each main meal, a capsule consisting of 9 drops of that product. 10. Loose clothing. Although it is not an infusion or product derived from some herb or fruit, avoiding the use of tight clothing is very good to avoid vaginal fungi. The explanation for this is based on the fact that the adjusted clothing prevents the air from circulating and creating humidity conditions that allow the growth of the fungi. 11. Less stress. Although often unreasonable, the imbalance of the organism that causes stress is capable of influencing the growth of fungi in the vagina. And is that by the weakening of the immune system, fungi take advantage of the weakening of good bacteria. To learn more about 11 natural remedies for candidiasis, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, and visit my site by clicking the link in the description below.